You are with ProjectHowTo, and today I'm gonna show you a level 3 back workout from the series Workouts for every level of preparedness. This workout is suitable for everyone who had already done level 2 back workout and wants to challenge themselves a little bit more. The workout will consist of 6 exercises, each will last a minute, followed by 15 seconds rest. At the end of the 6th exercise, what you're gonna do is take a longer 30 seconds break, and then you're gonna repeat all 6 exercises for another 5 rounds. Okay, the first exercise that we're gonna do now is back arches with the arms at 90-degree angle. What we're gonna do at the top of the exercise is lift your arms as high as you can and then bring your elbows down towards the body. Okay, let's get the timers ready. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna take 15 seconds rest, and the next exercise is piked push-ups. Gotta get ready. Okay, another 15 seconds rest. For the next exercise, we're gonna need the bed sheet. I'm gonna put it on the floor, and we're gonna do elbow slides. Okay, and now we're gonna grab the backpack and we're gonna do bent over rows. Okay, and now we have just enough time for the last two exercises to put that bed sheet over the door. We're gonna get as close as possible to the door. We're gonna lean back, make sure everything is secure. All right. Oh, that was tough. Now, the difference between the exercise that we did now and the one that we did in the level 2 is that the feet are right in front of the door. And now we're gonna do face pose. Okay, and those were the 6 advanced level back exercises that you can do at home, for which you're not gonna need any gym equipment. That was from me for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!